Remember, it is one of the all-time greats, just going for it.
What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Breaking L, getting ready for a 5-boxer. We got 5 boxes of 23-24 Bedard Rookie Year product. We're going to give away Chicago here in a second, and we're also looking to see who the first autograph of this break is going to be. If you're lucky enough to guess it, you win yourself a prize. Let's do it. Here is your random.org. This random is going to figure out who gets Chicago. All teams got an equal shot, whether your team was $40 or $100. Let's go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and lucky number 4. Top team taking home Chicago. We got Jamie Abbott, Boston Bruins. I've seen this story before. Good luck, Jamie. Okay, Jamie, you're in for Chicago. Now, let's figure out which one of these boxes we're opening first. I know it doesn't really seem like much, but this is how we do our Guess the Ink. We never know which box we're going to do. We leave it up to random. So here's your random.org, and here's all your boxes. Credentials, Ingrained, Ice, SPGU, and SPX. Alphabetical order. Woo! Yes, sir! McDavid, I think. Boom! All right, we're going to randomize this top box after 4. No, it wasn't Sam Bennett, was it? Nice, Sam Bennett.
That's where the little orange.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, here we go. 4 randoms. Top box gets opened first, guys. Sorry about the chaos here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going Ingrained first. Best box of the break going first. Why not? Let's do it. Enjoy the break, guys. Good luck. Good luck. First autograph coming from Ingrained could win you a spot in our finale. We got some big prizes up for grabs. That's a big goal right there. Ingrained, biggest box in the break. And we're opening it first. I will tell you always, just in case, it has to be an autograph in my hand. If it's a redemption, it doesn't count. We've been running this promotion for years, and we've kept the same rules. So if an autograph comes up here first, that's a redemption. It does not count. It has to be an autograph in my hand. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. I don't think we got any worries about that, but enjoy the break. Here we go. Anton Lundell, number 349 for the Florida Panthers.
You always get the home.
I don't know if I went over the teams or not, but I'll go over them right quick in case I didn't. Jerry was Anaheim, Chris was Arizona, Jamie Boston, Jason Buffalo, Jake Calgary, Aiden. Did I go over these or what? Carolina, Jamie Chicago, Greg Colorado, Brian Columbus, Austin Dallas, Suzanne Detroit, Colby Edmonton, Gary Jerry Florida, Matt Vegas, Will. First break, welcome aboard, LA, John, Minnesota, Brian, Montreal, Nathan, Nashville, Brian, New Jersey, Dean, Islanders, Jason, Rangers, Glenn, Ottawa, Sean, Philly, Jay, Pittsburgh, Colby, San Jose, Will, Seattle, Blair, St. Louis, Ryan, Tampa Bay, Noel, Toronto, Ryan, Vancouver, Dad, Ben, Washington, Tim, Winnipeg. My apologies if I already went over those teams. Wouldn't be the first time. Here is Owen Beck. Montreal Canadiens, $3.99. Starting us off here. Owen Beck, rookie. Here's Synthesis. Sidney Crosby, Pittsburgh Penguins. We got an autograph, Matthew Kessel. There's your first autograph. Not the easiest guess. St. Louis Blues, though, 96 of 299. Matthew Kessel, rookie signature shots. It is.
You can play anywhere, from instant rings and casino games to bingo. There are over 500 games. So when you can play anywhere, play here on Dossier or on the mobile app.
And last one here is Gorgiev. Colorado Avalanche Electrocast. There's your box of ingrained, only one autograph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. I always thought you got 2 autographs ingrained, but maybe I'm mistaken. Let's hit up some ice. 23-24 Upper Deck Ice. Cole Perfetti. Owen Beck, rookie. And we got Depth of Winter Troy Terry for the Anaheim Ducks. Come on, Towns. 3 more points. Torrey Krug. Rookie, Merlanian. And another Depth of Winter, Matthew Knies. Depth of Winter rookie for Toronto. You let him have it, Suzanne. Up next, Marshall Salt, Vegas. Got a Bobby McMahon, rookie, and Johnny Gaudreau, purple. RIP. Columbus. Here's Miro Heiskanen, Dallas Stars. We got Luke Hughes with a rookie for New Jersey. And a number /299 Ice Premier Retro by the look of it. All right, thick card coming here. Simon Edvinsson, Detroit. Durandu, Islanders rookie. And we got a /299 Nashville Exquisite Collection rookie. 174, $2.99. Here's Kapanen. Matthew Coronado, rookie. And another Depth of Winter, this time for Elias Lindholm, Calgary Flames. Oh. Surprised McDavid didn't pass that. Travis Konechny. Hugh McGing. And Durandu, purple, Islanders. Brian, I'm not sure, man. Not sure about this one anyway. Last break, you hit a couple cards for sure, but not sure about this one.
This is one that I think just worth turning. Hughes might have taken the worst of it.
Another Johnny Gaudreau. Columbus, we got Ty Carty, rookie. And cool, David Pastrnak, Boston Bruins. Tough pull, Pastrnak, Snowman. I know, they're cool. They look silly, but they're actually a tough pull. Snowman, Pasta. Ooh, another thickie here. What about it? What's the chances of an autograph? Woo! Okay. There's Taylor Radish, Chicago Blackhawks. We got a patch auto coming up. Kellerman, rookie. And patch auto for Aiden McDonough, number /99, Vancouver Canucks. Nice looking card for Van City. Vancouver is Ryan Burton. Aiden McDonough coming your way. There's your patch auto. Here's Cole Gutman, Ridley Grigg, and Dylan Larkin. Detroit Red Wings. Here's Jack Quinn. Dustin Wolf, Calgary Flames, and Milos Kellerman. $7.99. Coyotes. Oh no. That's not good. Pass me that long remote there. Tyler Clevin. Thurin. And Jack Hughes. New Jersey Devils. All right, there's ice in the books. We got a patch auto. We'll take it for sure. We just had our cable go out here during the game. That's always good.
You're not going to line through with it?
No, I don't think so. I'm still live, so I'm going to reboot the TV here real fast. Here goes credentials up next. Oh no, I think I did lose internet connection. Alright, hopefully I didn't, but I think I lost the internet connection, guys. I'm going to have to keep the feed going. That's why we record the videos. That's brutal, man. Alright, just going to have to keep rolling, unfortunately. Sorry, guys. I know right now that the feed is gone, and you're all probably in the comments freaking out that there's no feed, but this is why we record the videos, too. We always record them just to make sure that we got a feed. We got a backup feed, so that's exactly what's happening here. So wouldn't be much point to me to stop the break now, kind of defeat the whole purpose of recording the break. Who's best? Jake Ottinger and Jonathan Marchessault. So we'll burn through these last three boxes. My apologies that the quality wasn't up to par here as usual. Gustin and Roman Josi, 349 red. Do you mind going in the comments of the break? Yeah, thanks, buddy. Kale McCarr, who's best? And Evangelista just mentioned that it makes more sense to keep going than it does to stop. Zach Benson, highly anticipated, and Jacob Peltier. Who's next? Wyatt Johnston and Wyatt Kaiser. I don't think it'll pick it right back up though. No. $9.99 Chicago. I lost the stream feed, so it's hard to come back. Who's next? Gustafson, cool. Provisions. Jason Robertson, tough pull for Dallas. Nice hit. Dallas is awesome. Provisions, very nice. Tough pull. I like it. Durandu and Isaac Rosen. Sabres. All right, we got one pack left here and two boxes, and then I'm going to do my best to get this break up and posted so you guys can watch the rest of it, all right? Apologies for not seeing the whole thing. Sidney Crosby and Ole Eriksson Ek. We got two boxes left, only one pack in each. SPX and SP Game Use, guys. Good luck with it. Up first, Thatcher Demko, Vancouver, and we got Washington Capitals Finite rookie number to 799. Ovechkin, Radiance FX, number to 949. We got Tage Thompson, 949. 299 Boston, and autograph Billy Sweezy. Man, somebody guessed Billy Sweezy too if SPX was the first box picked. Dad Ben cards would have nailed it, man. Nice guess. Billy Sweezy. There's your SPX, and let's go SP Game Use. Again, guys, apologies. I'm sure you're going to be watching this on the repost. We had our feed. We not only had our feed go down, but we had our cable go down. Something happened here, and all the cable boxes and the internet went down at the same time. So my bad. John Beecher, Authentic Rookies. We got Eric Carlson, San Jose Sharks Fabrics. Number 82, Authentic Rookie for Columbus, and Drake Batherson, Ottawa Senators jersey card. Ottawa's Glenn. Glenn's in on his first or second break here. Getting it all figured out. Columbus, we got Nico Hischier. Number 225, and last card in the break, we got a redemption for Simon Holmstrom. Draft day marks, Simon Holmstrom. I'll have to double check who that goes to. I think it's the Islanders off the top of my head, but let me just double check. The New York Islanders. I was wrong. The Islanders it is, guys. That is it. Appreciate you joining us, and my bad, my apologies. Not really my bad. I had nothing to do with it, but my apologies that the feed went down. This is why we always record every break we do, just in case something like this happens, because if we weren't recording, this would be an awful mess right now. Thanks again for joining us, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Canada-USA game. Go Canada. We'll chat with you tomorrow. Don't forget, go big or go home. Peace!